Amazing Animals by Gwendolyn Hooks. Note: first, there will be the high-frequency word list, and then the Amazing Animals story, read along, will begin. Words to know. High-frequency words list comes from the Journeys, first grade reading student textbook.
Words to know. High-frequency words. I, high. Free. Quin, high frequency. High frequency. Or word. Words, high frequency words. Now we will learn how to read 8 high frequency words. Learning begins until 8. Young, follow, years, baby. Learning. He is learning how to read. Begins. He begins the race now. Begins. Until. Don't wait until tomorrow. Only 2 days until Christmas. Until. 8. A spider has 8 legs. 8. Young. Those children are very young. Young. Follow. They follow the leader. Follow. Low. Follow. Years. 2014, 2015, 2016 are 3 years. Ye. Year. Years. Learning. This baby giraffe is learning how to walk. Begins. The lion cub begins to get stronger. Until. These owls can't fly until they are older. Eight. The 8 little swans go for a swim. Young. The young hippo will be very big soon. Follow. The bear cubs follow their mother. Years. An elephant can live for 70 years. Baby. This baby panda is eating plants. Read and comprehend. Amazing animals. Target skill. Conclusions. Sometimes authors do not tell all the details. Readers must use text, evidence from the words and pictures, and think about what they already know to make a smart guess about what the author does not tell. This smart guess is a conclusion. Use a chart to write details and conclusions about what you read. Detail, detail, conclusion. Target strategy. Visualize. As you read, picture in your mind what is happening to help you understand. Amazing Animals by Gwendolyn Hooks. Essential question. Why do some animals have spots or stripes? Amazing animals. Animals get a lot of help as they grow up. Let's find out about 8 amazing animals. Big eyes, long beak. Thick fur, big squeak. The first amazing animal is the polar bear. A polar bear has thick fur. Each hair is like a tube. The hair has no color like glass. The sun makes it look white. How does thick white fur help? Analyze the text. Conclusions. How do you think the color of their fur helps polar bears? Thick fur helps polar bears stay warm. The color of their fur looks the same as snow. This helps them hide. Where does this cute young polar bear like to hide? The second amazing animal is the elephant. An elephant has a long nose. The nose is called a trunk. The trunk is used for leading a young elephant. The trunk is used for holding 8 liters of water. The trunk can be used for painting. Trunk used for blowing bubbles. Trunk used to take a bath. Trunks can be used for leading young elephants. It takes many years for an elephant to grow 2 big teeth. These teeth are called tusks. How do tusks and a trunk help? Elephants use their tusks to scrape bark off trees. Then they eat the bark. These elephants are learning to use their trunks to get water. How do tusks and trunk help? Can you think of more ways a trunk can help elephants? Can you remember what was taught earlier? Tusks are used to dig a hole. Tusks used for fighting. Sometimes They will spray water at a friend. Analyze the text using context. What are tusks? They are teeth. How do elephants use their tusks? They use tusks to get water and spray water. These elephants are learning to use their trunks to get water. Sometimes they spray water at a friend. The third amazing animal is the camel. Some camels have one hump. Some have two humps. All camels have 2 rows of eyelashes. How do humps and thick eyelashes help? A camel's hump has fat inside. On long trips, a camel's body uses the fat for food. A camel's eyelashes keep out the desert sand. This baby camel will follow his mother when the herd goes from place to place. The fourth amazing animal is the duck. A duck is a bird. It has 2 feet, and each foot has 3 toes. A duck has a beak too. How do feet and a beak help? Ducks use their feet to swim in the water or walk on land. They use their beaks to eat plants and bugs. Look! This duck uses her beak to clean her friend. Ducks use their beaks to clean each other and to catch food. The fifth amazing animal is the giraffe. A giraffe has spots. A giraffe has a long neck. How do spots and a long neck help? A giraffe's spots help it hide. A giraffe's long neck helps it reach the leaves of trees. A giraffe's long neck helps her reach her baby. She gives him a big kiss. A long neck helps giraffes eat leaves from tall trees. The sixth amazing animal is the porcupine. A porcupine has soft quills when it is born. The quills get sharp in a day or two. How do quills help? Quills help keep a porcupine safe. If an animal begins to come too close, the porcupine backs into it. The sharp quills hurt. Ouch! Quills tell this cub to stay away. The seventh amazing animal is the turtle. A turtle has a shell that is very hard. How does a hard shell help? A turtle can hide inside its shell from an animal that may hurt it. The turtle waits until the animal goes away. Then the turtle comes back out. You're safe now, turtle. The eighth amazing animal is the dolphin. A dolphin's tail has two parts called flukes. A dolphin has two flippers. How do tail flukes and flippers help? A dolphin flips its tail flukes up and down to swim fast. It uses its flippers to turn to the left or right. These two dolphins swim away fast. Who will be first? Have fun, dolphins! The end. The following pages are reading comprehension questions, if you are interested. Comprehension. Dig deeper. How to analyze the text. Use these pages to learn about conclusions and using context. Then read Amazing Animals again. Conclusions. Use text evidence from Amazing Animals to draw conclusions about what the author does not say. The author does not tell you what it is like where polar bears live. What do the pictures show? Which words help you? What else do you know about polar bears? Use a chart to write your conclusions. Detail, detail, detail. Conclusion. Where do polar bears live? Your turn. Return to the essential question. Turn and talk. Why do some animals have spots or stripes? Talk about how and why some animals in Amazing Animals hide. Use text evidence to explain your ideas clearly. Ask questions to understand your partner's ideas. Classroom conversation. Talk about these questions with your class. How do some animals stay safe? How does a dolphin's tail help it live? Tell about some parts other animals have that help them. How do your hands help you? They use their beaks to eat plants and bugs. The pronouns I and me. Use I in the subject of a sentence and me in the predicate. Name yourself last when you talk about yourself and others. Sarah and I like baby animals. The puppy licks Jill and me. So as you can see here, me has to be at the end when you talk about yourself. And then when you read it as the puppy licks me, that sounds right. It wouldn't sound right to say the puppy licks I. Not correct. The puppy licks me and Jill. This isn't correct because me should be at the end when you talk about yourself. The puppy licks Jill and I. This doesn't make sense because if you say the puppy licks I, that doesn't sound right. This is why this is not correct. Write the correct words to finish each sentence. Use another sheet of paper. Read your sentences to a partner. Number 1. Blank saw a piglet. Are you going to choose Dad and I saw a piglet or I and Dad saw a piglet? Dad and I saw a piglet is the correct answer. Always say yourself last, as I. Also read it as I saw a piglet to make sure it makes sense. If it does, then using the word I last is correct and not me. Number 2. The chicks looked at Jake and me or me and Jake. Which one sounds right? The chicks looked at Jake and me. This is the correct answer. Number 3. Blank fed one kitten. Are you going to say, I and Anna fed one kitten? Or Anna and I fed one kitten? Which one sounds right to you? The correct answer is Anna and I fed one kitten. Number 4. The cubs ran from Liz and I or Liz and me? Which is the right answer? The correct answer is the cubs ran from Liz and me. It wouldn't make sense to say the cubs ran from Liz and I. Thanks for watching this video. Please be sure to come back for more picture stories where learning to read is made easy and fun at Learning Made Easy for You.